Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing some Ford Performance Euro style taillights, and then we're going to be installing them. So let's get into it. First, just wanted to say that I went with these because I felt like I rather would buy once, cry once than spend just a couple $100 cheaper for some of the other aftermarket options out there that seem to yellow in the first year and let moisture into the housings, stuff like that. Just didn't want to deal with that. So these are kind of hefty. They're like $700, but I felt like it was probably worth it. So just start by popping the trunk here. Got a couple 10mm bolts, and then I also have to pop the plastics out here. It's pretty easy, probably took about 30 minutes, I would say. So really not that difficult to do. Just use my little speed battery powered ratchet, which really made things go by pretty quick. And then I also have a GT Premium with the Bang & Olufsen sound system, so I have the factory subwoofer in the trunk. So I just got to pop the 13mm bolts off of that as well and move it out of the way. But each one here, I just wanted to clean behind the taillights, just get some of the dust out of there. It was also a cold day, a little bit of ice formed behind them, so just wanted to clean it off and transfer all the little plastics over to the new taillights from the old ones. And since they are OEM, they fit really nicely and they should hold up and stand the test of time, which is pretty much the whole reason I bought the Ford ones, just so they hold up better and fit nice. So I'm just gonna clean behind here as well. I also removed these diode dynamic sequencers that the previous owner put on. They just make it so that when you hit the brake lights, it looks like when the turn signals come on, but for both lights at the same time. There's kind of a debate whether they're safe or not, and I decided I'd rather just have them off. I'd rather just have the turn signal sequence and the brake lights come on immediately. Just kind of cover myself a little bit. And they look cool, but they're not for me. So decided to pop them off. And just putting the little plastic fasteners back in the plastic piece here, putting the trunk cover back in, and we're all done. So I think it looks way, way better. I do like the red OEMs, but I think the Ford Performance Clears look a whole lot better. I just think Euro taillights look really good on black cars. Once it's all cleaned up, I'm gonna get some shots and show you what the final result looks like. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.